Let's make this roast chicken with only 5 spices, and it turns out so good that you won't believe that it is made with only 5 spices. I made it in the air fryer. You can make it in the oven or on the charcoal grill as well. So first of all, we have to take tomato paste, lemon juice, and olive oil. The 5 spices are paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, dried parsley, and salt, and that's it. Mix everything and then take the chicken. The chicken was quite a lot, and the pieces were very big. That's why the spices are about a tablespoon of each. Salt you can adjust according to your taste. Make sure to make some deep cuts in the chicken. This will make the chicken very juicy, and the flavors will be just inside the meat thoroughly. Then I gave cold smoke to the chicken because this infuses the chicken with charcoal grilled flavor, which you cannot get otherwise if you're making in the air fryer. And I just love this the smoky flavor, so I always do it whenever I'm making kebabs or chicken. Then I air fried the chicken. This timing and temperature are the same for the oven, but you have to keep an eye on your food and enjoy.